This is a 500-piece puzzle from Art and Fable Puzzle Company. The puzzle is made from an imaginative and beautiful artwork by Maria Brzozowska. The finished size is 48 centimeters by 34 centimeters, or 18.9 inches by 13.4 inches. Each box contains a collectible, frameable print, which you can use while you're putting the puzzle together. It also has a resealable bag to preserve your puzzle and prevent lost pieces. It also has a handy box top stand designed to steady the tippy box top. The pieces are beautifully made, and the colors so beautiful and vibrant. There's no puzzle glare, and the inspired design is beautiful, deeply meaningful, and just plain fun.